This is a fine spring morning. It's everywhere for us to share. Just look what a fine spring morning can do. I've got a brand new feeling. When I think twice, it's awful nice. I hope everybody's feeling it too. Bees are getting busier, birds are getting dizzier. Little girls and boys are getting quizzier. Songs are getting singier, butterflies are wingier, and sure as shooting, spring is getting springier. So on this fine spring morning, my heart's resigned, made up my mind to spend every fine spring morning with you. Say, I've seen a lot of mornings, the sunshine glows, a rooster crows, but this is my first spring morning in love. So if this young girl's fancy gets out of hand, please understand, it's just that this young girl's fancy is love. Kids are getting cozier, neighbors getting nosier. Bulls are getting more and more bulldozier. Bums are getting bummier, chums are getting chummier, and yummy-looking girls are getting yummier. Some of these fine